All right, today we're going to talk about negative exponents, do a little review. And again, negative exponents are simply thought of as the opposite of positive exponents. And what I mean by that is we know positive exponents mean to take the base the number of times. So 3 to the third is 27. Well, if I have 3 to the negative 3, instead of multiplying 3 times, I want to divide 3 times. But we do that by getting the exponent positive, by moving it across the fraction line. And it does end up being division. And it ends up being this. It comes down to, our rule is x raised to the negative n power is equivalent to 1 over x to the n. So 4 to the negative 2 power is equivalent to 1 over 4 squared, which is 1/16. Our rules still apply. Exponents have short arms. If I add, or if I multiply by a negative sign, I'm asking for the opposite of 4 to the negative 2, which is still negative here, still negative here, versus this, which is taking negative 4 to the negative 2 quantity. It means to divide by negative 4 twice. And we know when you have two negatives, you get a positive. So, we're going to try to do some example problems. So, if I do this, every time we have this, we got to get a positive exponent. So I have 3 to the negative 3. You have to get it to be positive. So the answer to that is 1/27th. If I do the next one, the negative 2 touches the 2, but not the negative sign. So it's the opposite of 2 raised to the negative 2, or the opposite of 1 over 2 squared, which is negative 1/4. Next one. This time the negative 2 touches the parentheses, which makes this one thing. That's 1 over negative 2 to the negative 2, and that makes positive 1/4. Now I got 3 more examples here, and I have 6 on the next page. So pause me every once in a while, see if you can't write the answers. Alright, so if you pause and then play, and I'm going to just write answers as fast as I can now. Alright, we'll go to the next page, and I have 6 more. The last 3 have multiple steps here. Over 1/44. And again, this will stay negative. Just move the negative exponents. And the last one gives us a mixture of things. This was a quick review of negative exponents. The only other thing I'll add to this is let's recall our zeros. Anything to the 0 is 1. But here again, short arms. That concludes our negative exponents. You can practice these and know where we're at.